profit, loss and unitary method. In the previous classes, we have read about money. We need money to buy things. Indian money is found in the form of rupees and paise. Also, we have coins and notes. Notes and coins are found in the different denominations. Mr. Agarwal is a shopkeeper. He buys and sells things to earn his livelihood. Do you know how does a shopkeeper earn money? Shopkeeper buys things from a wholesaler. After buying things from a wholesaler, the shopkeeper sells these things to a customer, usually at a higher price. Generally, a shopkeeper sells his articles at a higher price than the cost price. In this case, he earns a profit. So, in case of profit, selling price or SP is greater than cost price or the CP. In this case, the difference between SP and CP is called profit. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP. There are instances when a shopkeeper is forced to sell his articles at a lower price than its cost price. In this case, he suffers a loss. So, in case of loss, SP is less than CP. In this case, the difference between CP and SP is called loss. So, loss is equal to CP minus SP. One day, Mr. Agarwal bought an almirah from a wholesaler for rupees 8,500. He spent rupees 150 on its transportation. The amount spent on transportation, labor, repairs, etc. are called overhead charges. It means the total amount spent by Mr. Agarwal to buy this almirah is rupees 8,500 plus 150. That is rupees 8,650. So, cost price of the almirah for Mr. Agarwal is rupees 8,650. It means to find the final cost price of an article, overhead charges are added to the amount at which the article is bought. Do you know what happens when a shopkeeper sells an article at the same price at which it was bought? Obviously, in this case, the shopkeeper neither gains nor loses. We use the following relationships to find CP, SP, profit or loss. In case of profit, SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. In case of loss, SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Consider the given example. Sanjeev bought a dining table for rupees 4,350. He spent rupees 250 in its transportation. After 2 weeks, he sold it to Rajiv, making a profit of rupees 400. Find the selling price of the table. Here we first find the actual CP of the table. To do so, we add the overhead charges to its price. Since there is a profit in this transaction, so to get the selling price, we add the profit to the CP. One day, Rajni went to a bookseller to buy 2 pencils. The shopkeeper told her the cost of 1 dozen or 12 pencils is 48. But Rajni wanted to know the cost of only 2 pencils. She got confused. In our daily life, we come across such situations quite often. To deal with such situations, we first find the cost of one item. So cost of 12 pencils is equal to rupees 48. It means cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 48 divided by 12, that is rupees 4. So cost of 2 pencils is equal to rupees 4 into 2, which is equal to rupees 8. To find the cost of one item, we divide. Using the cost of one item, we find the cost of required number of items by multiplying. So cost of 2 pencils is equal to rupees 4 multiplied by 2, which is rupees 8. This method, in which we first find the value of one unit and then the value of required number of items, is called unitary method. To find the value of one item, we divide the value of given number of items by the total number of items. To find the value of any number of items, we multiply the value of one item by the number of items. Here note that to get less, we divide, and to get more, we multiply. Consider this example. A bus covers 180 kilometers in 5 hours. How much distance will it cover in 3 hours? Here first we will find the distance covered by the bus in 1 hour. To do so, we divide 180 by 5. Then we will find the distance covered by the bus in 3 hours. To do so, we multiply 36 by 3. So distance covered by the bus in 3 hours is equal to 36 into 3, that is 108 kilometers.